Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So finally OnePlus have started rolling out March update for OnePlus 8 series and including OnePlus 9R. In this video, let's find out what all changes this update brings on the table for OnePlus 8 series and OnePlus 9R. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So I've already updated my device. Let me show you the software information. If you go to about section, Oxygen OS version is 13. If you go to Android version is 13, which comes with 5th March 2023 security patch, and the version is f.63. For OnePlus 9R, the version is f.22. And we have been seeing in past that OnePlus 8 series users don't get the OTA update soon. So I'll try to provide the download links in the description below. You guys can do a manual update, aka local update. Because we have seen in past a lot of OnePlus 8 series users got Jan security patch after almost 3 months. And OnePlus 8 series users were the most affected by display issues. I mean to say those green line, pink, etc. colors in their display. So before updating your device, make sure to click a picture or do a video on the entire installation process. If anything goes wrong, you can present that proof to OnePlus Service Center so that they can replace your device screen free of cost. If I show you the change logs, there's nothing much OnePlus is doing with the new features we have been seeing on almost every OnePlus smartphone. They just do some bug fixes and update the security patch. From a long time, I haven't seen any new features being added on OnePlus smartphones. So here are the changelogs which are related to system and communication. Previous update size was quite huge, which was around 1 GB, but this update was, I think, around 200 MB or 250 MB. Now talking about the benchmark results, so I did benchmark testing. Here are the results you can see. In single core, device have scored 1185, and with multi-core, device have scored 3021, and this was with the high performance mode turned on. We also did CPU throttling test, and we did extreme test with 100 threads up to 60 minutes, and there were a lot of throttling issues. Maximum CPU throttled only up to 65%, and average gips were also not that great. It was around 2,46,000, and this was without high performance mode, because on OnePlus smartphones we have seen after enabling high performance mode, we do get to see a lot of throttling issues. And guys, before moving ahead, if you like a content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash that like button and also make sure to subscribe our channel. That will motivate us in making better content with quality. So this update introduced a new bug on my OnePlus 8, and that's related to auto brightness. You can see the video recording on the screen. Even if I have enabled the auto brightness, sometimes screen brightness is too low and it doesn't increase until unless I touch the brightness slider. So this happened to me multiple times, and it wasn't the case on previous build personally for me. Spotify on AOD is still so buggy that if you tap here on the screen, you can see a lot of frame drops here. And this is the same situation from the day one OnePlus released Oxygen OS 13 with this new feature. You can clearly see the frame drops and jitters when you double tap on the Spotify AOD widget. Camera application remains exactly same. You can see this was a screenshot which I took on the previous build, where the version was 5.9.79, and if you see the version now, it's the same stuff, 5.9.79. So you don't expect any kind of improvements in the camera segment on this newer build. On previous build, I used to encounter slow unlocking speed using my fingerprint, but now I think that thing have been improved and my device instantly unlocks. HDR color shifting is still happening on OnePlus smartphones, though it has been fixed on other brands like Nothing Phone 1, but it's still not been fixed on OnePlus smartphone. I used to think it's an issue with YouTube application, but now other phones have got the fix, so I think it's an issue with OnePlus itself. And not sure when OnePlus gonna fix these minor issues on Oxygen OS 13. At last, talking about the gaming, so gaming I found a little bit of improvements on this current build. I played BGMI TDMs and I did not notice any kind of frame drops. Though now summers have started and devices are getting warmed up within few minutes of gameplay. So guys, this was all about the new update for OnePlus 8 series and OnePlus 9R. If you still have any kind of questions, you guys can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.